So today we're going to do some maintenances on these Heatcraft walk-in cooler condensers. First thing I do is just kind of take it apart. Ooh, make sure I got all the screws out, which I guess I don't. I do. It's always fun. I like to get a blower, blow all this crap out of here. I'll get my brush and kind of go through. Inspect all the wires as we go. This contactor looks kind of crappy. I would definitely recommend replacement, and I will. Not super sure what this shit's all about here, but we'll go ahead and put caps on them just because we like what we do. I imagine this is for like a dedicated line for like a heater, like a drain line heater or something, but this is just medium temperature. This isn't a low temperature application. Go ahead and check our capacitors. It's 7.5 microfarad. It's 6.94. It's 6% of 7.5. I don't really know either. Always take a picture of the wires before you start pulling them off. Luckily, I got 4 units all next to each other, so in this one, if I was to forget which wire went where, I could just look at one of the other units, or God forbid, look at the wiring diagram. Ugh. Alright, this is a 35. 31.92. Alright, RC2. 2. Oh, that's actually 1. Alright, so call the capacitor is good. I'd like to change